What's up everybody, Mbokazi here, back with another educational video. On today's video, we are talking about airdrops. You should know that this video is very time sensitive, and if you watch this video after the 24th of October, do not hesitate, there will be other airdrops that will be dropping by very soon. So make sure that you watch this video up until the end, because I will also share with you some other airdrop that will be popping up very soon. Now on this video, we will be looking at the Leno Stakedrop. So what you need to do for you to actually receive this airdrop, you need to stake at least a minimum of 10 Juno before the 24th of October. So those are just the rules. Currently Juno is sitting at like $3 for one token. And also please keep in mind that anything that I say in this video is not financial advice. Please make sure that you do your own research before investing any money into cryptocurrency. Let's get into the step-by-step as to how do we stake these tokens. Now this is the Leno network. At the moment, as you can see, it's currently not live at this moment. So what is Leno network? So Leno network is more of a DeFi protocol whereby you can lend and borrow your tokens. It has its own launchpad, and it also has a NFT lending marketplace. So you can go ahead and check up on the project. You can also have a look at the team right here, check up the team, and also very important, look at the roadmap. Just know what's happening and what's going to be happening in the near future. So as you can see over here, we're already on the Q4 of 2022. So this is what's going to be happening. Basically is staking on Juno, launchpad function, optimize Oracle, testnet lending, and stake drop for Juno stakers. So this is happening, guys. As we can see, it's already on the roadmap and it's happening. So we want to make sure that we jump onto this the stake drop that's going to be happening very soon. Let me not waste any further time talking about this airdrop. Let me show you how to participate in this airdrop. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead onto your Osmosis wallet and deposit some funds, and once that is done, go on to stake. Click right here onto stake. Once you are on stake, it will take you over to this page right here. So once you are on this page right here, what you can do is just click on this drop down which is written chains, and then from there you are going to look for Juno. Now once you have found Juno, the next step is looking for a validator that you want to stake with. So I'm a big fan of all nodes because I like to auto compound my stake rewards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for all nodes, but go ahead and search for any validator that you want to stake with. Make sure that it's a validator that you are comfortable when it comes to staking, and also make sure that you also look at the commission and look at the APR. Those are some very important things. After you found your validator, simply click on manage. Once you have clicked on manage, so now it's asking me to delegate some Juno tokens. Another important thing take note of is that, as you can see over here, staking will lock your funds for 28 days. That means once you have delegated your tokens onto this validator right here, or any validator that you're going to be staking with, your tokens will be locked for 28 days. The next step that I need to do right here, since I'm unable to find my Juno, but I already have deposited some Juno onto my Osmosis, onto my Keplr wallet basically. Another thing that you also need to pay attention to is when you have your assets right here, what you need to do is that you need to this Juno right here, I need to withdraw it onto my Juno blockchain. So currently, as if I had to open my Keplr wallet, let me just open my Keplr wallet. So I'm on the Juno blockchain at this moment. So if you are still connected to the Cosmos hub or even the Osmosis hub, you won't see your Juno reflect. What you need to do is go onto your Juno network, connect to your Juno network, and then from here go onto your assets, which will be on your Osmosis DEX, and then from there deposit, and then from there it will reflect right here. And once you have deposited those funds, what you're going to do next is withdraw these tokens to the Juno network. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on withdraw. This should take approximately like 20 seconds to complete, and then from there what I'm going to do is I'm going to approve that transaction. Transaction has been submitted. That should take a couple of seconds, and then from there transaction has been successfully done. So now I have transferred my Juno token onto my Juno net. Yes, I have transferred my Juno tokens onto my Juno network. Now that we have transferred our tokens to the Juno network, we can see it reflect right here. Now the next step is to go back onto your stake, onto your delegation, and then from there we can just go ahead and start delegating some of our tokens. What you can do is click again on manage, click on delegate, and then from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on max. So as you can see, now my tokens are reflecting right here onto my delegation, and then the next step obviously is delegate some of my Juno tokens, and then from there approve the transaction. Transaction has been successful, and then from here I can see that my tokens have been delegated. Now what I love about all nodes is that now I'm going to take the next step and set my rewards to auto compound without me having to claim my tokens and having to stake them again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead onto all nodes. The link will be in the description. If you don't have an all nodes account, make sure that you watch my previous video. Now the next step for me is to find Juno right here on all nodes. Then I'm going to go scroll down. Here's Juno right here. So as you can see, when I said in the beginning, your tokens will be locked for a 28-day period. So now I'm just about to also earn another 57% APR on my Juno stake, as you could see. And then from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the wallet, my Keplr wallet, and then I'm going to connect to my Keplr wallet extension, and then I'm going to need to approve that. So once I have approved that, as you can see over here, it's showing me my available balance, and it's showing me my staked Juno tokens. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on monitor address. Now once I have clicked on monitor address, I'm going to click on proceed to portfolio. Now this is where the magic happens. Now this is where we will be setting our Juno stake to be on auto compound. So as you can see over here right now, if I click on this drop down right here, it's telling me to enable auto compound. Previously we were earning an APY of 77.79%, and now we are adding that up with also 57.59%. So now I'm earning more on my stake right here. While I'm waiting for the 28 days, I will also be earning a nice whopping APY on my token. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable my auto compound, and then from here connect to my Keplr wallet, and then connect to my Keplr extension, enable auto compound, and then from there I just need to approve the transaction. Approve that, and then from there click on close, and that has been done right there. So as you can see guys, my Juno tokens is already on auto compound. So that means now on a daily basis I will be earning a whopping good APY on my tokens without having to do anything. I'll just be earning from that. So that's how simple it is for you to actually stake some of your Juno tokens, and then from there you can expect the snapshot on the 24th of October. And then I don't know exactly when the airdrop will be. Make sure that you are following Leno network on Twitter so that you will get the notification whenever the airdrop does happen. Now if you found this video educational and you found it beneficial, make sure that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel, and also make sure that you leave me a thumbs up. And for those people that actually watch this video after the 24th of October when the snapshot has been done, do not worry, the SUI incentivized testnet is still on, the Starknet incentivized testnet is still on. These are the testnet that you can still check up on, and also the Blur airdrop is still on, the second airdrop is still on. So make sure that you watch these videos so that you do not miss out on these airdrop. And also I will be doing more airdrop videos in the coming future. Make sure that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, because some of these airdrops are very time sensitive. You want to make sure that whenever I drop a new video, you watch that video and participate in these incentivized test nets. Thank you very much for watching up until the end of this video. It's your boy Ebrahim Mbokazi, and I will see you on the next one.